It's Christmas Day and this is how we spent it. Started the day with some masala chai and bagels with some scrambled eggs, avocado, roasted tomatoes, radish and seeds. Once breakfast was done, I set the table. Every year the place names are made with gingerbread biscuits, and because we have so much food on the table, I always prefer an overhead decoration rather than having the Christmas garland on the table. I also put the mulled wine to warm up. Once everyone arrived, it was time to open presents. It's tradition to have scratch cards, not that we win, but it's pretty fun to do first thing. Next, it was opening presents. At 2 p.m, we had our annual starter of garlic bread bowl soup. It's got over 100 cloves of garlic and it's absolutely delicious. Before it got too late, we got into our pyjamas and had our photo shoot by the Christmas tree. So many people have bought these Primark pyjamas. I think they were a bargain. Then it was time for games and drinks while we waited for the dinner to cook. Dinner included porchetta with crispy crackling, lamb guard of honor, and juicy gammon. Carving meat is my least favourite thing. You can tell by the uneven pieces. This was the spread on the table. Lots of meat, lots of veg and a cheesy mashed potato. Also, my dinner has to be drowned in gravy. This should have been done before, but everyone was hungry, so then we did the crackers. After a lush dinner, we cleared up and chilled with some cocktails before eating some more. A selection of cheeses, grapes, and a home-baked Christmas cake. This was alongside a game of Kenyan Monopoly, and we all know how Monopoly ends.